Alright, so this is the first view out of my neighborhood, or my parents' neighborhood. Got a down fence. This fence is known. And then we got a lot of water. Huh. That seems like a lot of water. I think my video ends here. Alright, so I take that back. I decided to brave it. Not sure that was the best idea. Currently regretting it a little bit. But we'll see how this goes. I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to commit. Stay towards the middle of the road. That seems to be the higher point. There's a speed bump up here somewhere, but it's completely submerged. Oh, there it is. Crazy. Find someone else's wake. Oh, this is nuts. But we're almost through the worst of it. Wow, that was crazy. Woo! Oh, we're pretty much out of that. Wow. Man, you know what was annoying me during some of these videos I watched during the hurricane? Was people with squeaky windshield wipers. Holy crap, was that atrocious. The squeaky windshield wipers. Alright guys, I'm gonna turn my camera off. I'm gonna drive home. I gotta go a little bit fast, so we'll get some more footage from the dashboard cam. Oh, we're gonna pull up here and check out the damage they got going over here. Looks like the garage doors just buckled it. Oh yeah, look at this. Maybe there's somebody in here trying to work it, but I doubt it. Yeah. Parked the boat, a couple cars, a little bit of damage, nothing too crazy. Looks like they lost a section of fence. Oh, never mind. I found their garage door. Crazy. Those are not normally water hazards. Down. And I'm buying third. Alright, this is some damage over by my local Taco Bell. I'm gonna pull over here and show you guys in a second. This is by far the coolest spot I've seen so far from all the damage from Hurricane Irma. Literally a tree, you can see all the irrigation underneath. It's pretty awesome. Just peeled right back. The only reason I'm saying this is awesome, no one got hurt, nothing fell on this. More people pulled up to take pictures. Be safe out there, guys. Seriously? Alright, this is the entrance coming to my parents' development. It is flooded. I'm going to drive nice and slow because I think this water is pretty high up to where some of the houses are. So if I drive fast, I'm going to make a wake and it's going to go right into these people's houses. So I'm going to try to drive as slow as possible. This guy in the VW probably shouldn't have gone this way, but you know, what can you do? What am I going to tell him? After you're seeing how deep it is over there, I'm going to go on the other side of the road here. Yeah, this is crazy. All that water can flush right up into people's houses. I hate to be living there right now. This part's gonna get pretty deep because there's a drain over here. Obviously the drain's not working or it's clogged or something. Okay, all this water went right into people's garages. Got this lady up here.